Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Level Lock app integration with HomeKit, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Level Lock app integration with HomeKit, start by launching the Level Lock app on your smartphone. Ensure that your Level Lock is properly installed and connected to your home network. Tap on the settings icon located in the top right corner of the app's home screen. Scroll down to find the HomeKit integration option and select it. You may see a prompt to enable HomeKit integration for your Level Lock. Follow the on-screen instructions to link the Level Lock with HomeKit. This may require you to scan a HomeKit setup code found on the Level Lock packaging or installation instructions. After scanning the code, wait for the app to confirm the integration process. Once confirmed, the app will prompt you to assign a name and location for your Level Lock within HomeKit. Choose a name that clearly identifies your lock, like front door or back door. Next, open the Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner to add a new accessory. Select Add Accessory from the list of options. When prompted, scan the HomeKit code again or select your Level Lock from the list of nearby accessories. Follow any additional instructions to complete the setup. Once integrated, you can now control your Level Lock through the Home app. You should also be able to set up automations and scenes involving your Level Lock within HomeKit. Verify that the Level Lock responds to commands from the Home app to ensure successful integration. Finally, test locking and unlocking the door using both the Level Lock app and the Home app to confirm everything is working as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.